Today, I'm going to show you how to print an invoice in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Sales. Then, go to the Invoices tab. This opens a list of your invoices. Find the invoice you want to print. If you have a lot of invoices, you can use the search or filter options to find the correct one. Once you find the invoice, go to the right side of the invoice row. Click the small drop-down arrow in the Action column. Then, select Print. QuickBooks will generate a printable version of the invoice. When the invoice preview opens, click the printer icon. This will open your computer's print window. Choose the printer you want to use. Then, review the page size, orientation, and other print settings. Once everything looks correct, click Print. You can also download and save the invoice as a PDF if you want to keep a digital copy or share it later. And that's how to print an invoice in QuickBooks Online in 2026.